Hi scholars, I'm going to teach you how to make the whack-a-mole game. So what you need to do is go to your science digital classroom and click on your Scratch poster so that you can get to Scratch unless you have it bookmarked to get there easier. Then go ahead and sign in. So you're going to click sign in, and I already have my username and password stored. You might have yours too. If not, just type those in. Then what you're going to do is you're going to push create because you're creating a new game. What you've got to do first is you've got to get rid of this actor. So click on the actor, actually he's down here, and just do that. What I like to do is have my directions side by side with my Scratch game so that I can be looking at everything that I need to do. And the first thing I need to do is add the blue sky to background. So I'll go back over here and I'm going to find the stage area. You see how it says stage? I'll click choose a backdrop and I can just type in blue and then immediately that pops up. I've got my blue sky background in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a balloon sprite. So I go over here and I choose a sprite and I'll type in balloon. Oh, can't spell balloon. There we go. Okay, there it is. Now, it doesn't really matter what color it is right now. You'll be making other colors later. After you've got your balloon in there, I'm going to go ahead and code that balloon with some block coding. There's a lot to do there. I'm going to walk you through the first few steps because I don't have a lot of time. Make sure you've got the balloon highlighted, and then you can go over here and let's see if I can get my stage here a little bit better so I can see better. There we go. All right, we always start with when the flag is clicked, and that's an event because that means when you start the game, when the flag is clicked. Then I'm going to show the variable scoreboard. So I'm going to go down here to variables, and I'm going to show the variable, dink, and you'll click on that and you'll see, hey, it doesn't say scoreboard there. That's because what you've got to do is you've got to make that variable. So I'll click make a variable and I'm going to call it scoreboard. Click. Now I've got scoreboard available. So I want to show my scoreboard and then I'm going to set my scoreboard to 0. So I'll go back over here and I grab this orange one again. See how they're all color coded? I'm going to set my scoreboard to 0. Now I've got my scoreboard ready to go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to repeat the same thing 10 times. Now that is a control. It's not an event, it's a control. I'm going to find repeat. Here's repeat. There we go. Repeat 10 times. Drag that over there. Then I have to do something 10 times, don't I? So let's see what I'm going to do. I'm going to show, and show is a look because that's what it looks like. So I'll go to the looks, they're purple, and I'll find the show button. Where's the show? Oh, there it is. Show. And I got to find out what I'm going to show. Oh, I'm going to show that balloon. And then I'm going to wait 1 second. So that's going to be a control, something I'm controlling. I'm going to wait 1 second. You can make it longer if you want to. The longer you make it wait, the easier it is. But 1 second is pretty good. Then I'm going to do, this is the interesting part. This is a long block. I'm going to go to an XY location. So go to your motion because it's going to go someplace. And you're going to go to X, Y. Now these numbers right in here, we're going to change that. Doesn't matter what numbers they are now. We're going to change that. And we're going to change it by going to these green places. Those are the operators. And we're going to pick a random spot, drag that into that slide. See how it highlights? Do that twice. Do that for both of them. And we'll continue this video later. Start with that though.